Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete TikTok chat from both sides. So guys, if you want to delete a TikTok chat or messages from both sides, here I will show you how can you do this or whether you can do this or not. So guys, here you can see this. I have opened this chat and I am sending a message to this person. So guys, first you have to simply send the message, and after this you have to simply tap on the chat, and then you have to simply press and hold the message which you have sent, and then you have to simply tap on delete for me from here. So guys, this is the way to delete the message from your side. And if you want to delete the chat from both sides, then there is no such option which allows you to delete the chat from both sides on TikTok. So guys, basically there is no option to delete the chat from both sides on TikTok. You have to simply delete with two options. The first option is that you have to simply swipe the chat to the left or right side, and after this you have to simply tap on delete button and it will give you a pop-up to delete this chat. So guys, this says this action cannot be undone. So guys, basically if you delete the chat, then there will be no option to recover it. So guys, if you want to delete the chat from both sides, then you have to simply go to any chat and then send a message. And once the message is sent, then press and hold the chat. And here you can see this, you can delete for all, and you can also delete for me from here. So guys, if you tap on delete for all, then the message will be deleted from both sides. So guys, this is the way to delete the messages from both sides on TikTok. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.